This item is called basin pop-up drainer, basin waste. Different countries, different callings. It is widely used in plumbing projects such as hotel, restaurant. Firstly, I'd like to introduce this specification to you first. Please follow me. This item comes in a whole section. It is made of 3 parts: cover, main body, and accessories. And the size of the cover is 60 mm, and the flange size is also 60 mm, and the height of the body is 90 mm, and the hole size is a quarter, yes, equal to 32 mm. Please take attention to the inside hole. Inside hole, there is a valve inside. We are promised it can be punched up for more than 50,000 times. And this nut is made of plastic. We also have brass and zinc one. Please take attention here. The washer is only one flat washer. Yes. The surface is finished by nickel brush. Yes. We also have another 80 colors for you to try, such as chrome, matte white, matte black, gunmetal. If you don't know which color are popular in your country, just let me know which country are you in. We will give you a suggestion. And we have 2 options for the package. One is color box, another is white box. If you have your own brand, just choose the color one. It is good for advertising for your company. Yes. And we Tony Yard have 20 years experience to produce this item. If you have any question about the products, just have no hesitate to contact with us. We will give you suggestions. This video almost is finished.